Hey everybody, Jenn and Ty here again. This is our 5th day of shooting little instructional videos, technique videos, and today we're going to show you a clock choke a little bit, the defense to the clock choke, and then a finish called a folding choke. So the clock choke that we're trying to get out of looks like this. It's pretty brutal. So what happens is I'm attacking somebody in the turtle position. I'm going to open up the lapel on the inside. Be cautious of this arm. I'm not going to get my arm real far in there because they might fat man roll me. We'll talk about that in another video. But I'm going to open up this lapel. My hand, my north hand's going to go inside the collar. I'm going to make my grip. Doesn't have to be super tight. And then I'm going to move my head forward, almost to the floor. This is to slide my ribs from her ribs in between her neck and her shoulder. This is the real secret to the move. Once that feels like my ribs are going in the right spot, I slide my leg out and it totally puts me in that spot. She's stuck. Now I pull my arm, and there's the choke. So that's the thing we're trying to avoid. Now let's look at how we avoid it.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab inside of his pant leg. I'm going to take a step back. I'm going to sit through, grab his other pant, pull him on top of me, and then from here I control his legs, and I'm going to start to scoop my hips all the way north. Now I'm going to go north-south. As I do that, I'm guiding his arm across his body. Now my hand is going to go underneath his head, and then my other hand is going to secure that hand. From here, I'm going to come up to my toes, and I'm going to push his arm into his chest.
Oh. It's a folding choke. It's called that because it's like folding clothes with people in them.
So, right here, I'm using a cross grip. Boom. I'm going to take a step with that back foot here. Now I'm going to sit through. As I sit through, I reach for his other pant leg. Now, as I roll back onto my back, I'm going to pull him across, control the legs, scoop, scoop, watch his arm. As it come around, under the head, secure here, come up onto my toes, and then apply pressure.
Oh yeah, it's nice. So, defense to the clock choke, and a bonus, folding choke at the end. So if you like our videos and stuff, check out our social media stuff, our Redline Instagram page, our Redline YouTube channel, and our personal stuff too. Jennifer has a Shijitsu channel, and I have my own channel, Ty Bjj. So check that stuff out.
And if you like it, share it with your friends.